Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I sell digital products using Threads in 2026, step by step, without paid ads, without big following, and without complicated funnels. This works for ebooks, template, guide, courses, Notion files, Canva template, digital services. If you stay consistent, this can become a daily sales channel. So let's break it down. Understand why Threads works for selling in 2026. Threads is not like Instagram or TikTok. Threads favors text, conversations, relatable content, authority, positioning. People don't go to Threads to be sold. They go to read, react, and relate. Your job is not to sell directly. Your job is to earn attention and trust first. That's the secret. You set up your profile for sales. Before posting anything, fix your profile. Your profile should answer one question. Why should I listen to you? Right? Fair question. Clear name or brand, simple bio explaining who you help, right? One clear outcome. Example, I help beginners sell digital products using AI and social platforms, Then add one link only, and this could be Gumroad, right? Lemon Squeezy, Stan Store, simple landing page. No link overload, one destination. Okay? Now, sell or choose the right digital product to sell. Threads works best with simple digital products, clear outcomes, fast consumption. Good examples: $9 the guide, plug and play template, checklists, frameworks. Avoid big complex courses, high ticket sales pages. Threads is about low resistance offers. Now, the content formula that sells on Threads. This is where most people fail. On Threads, you don't post ads. You post thoughts, experiences, and lessons. The winning formula should be problem, insight, soft mention of solution. Example structure: call out a struggle, share what worked for you, and mention you documented the process. Never hard sell, never beg. Okay? Curiosity sells better than pressure. Now, content types that convert best on Threads. Personal experience post. What I learned after failing my first digital product, or contrarian takes. Selling digital products isn't about followers, it's about clarity. Or step-by-step mini guides. Here's how I made my first digital sale with 0 ads. Mistake posts. The biggest mistake beginners make when selling digital products, or results plus lesson posts. Sold X copies without paid traffic. Here is why it worked. These build authority plus trust. Now, how often you post and why consistency wins. You don't need to post all day. Best approach: 2 to 4 threads per day, spread across the day, short, clear human writing. Threads rewards consistent accounts, not viral spikes. Think daily presence, not viral obsession. How sales actually happen on Threads? Most sales do not happen from the post itself. They happen from profile visits, people reading multiple posts, silent observers. That's why your bio matters, your pin post matters, your link matters. Threads is a trust drip system. Okay? And the pinned post strategy. Your pinned post should explain what you do, show credibility, mention your product naturally. Example: I documented how I sell digital products step by step. Link in bio if you want that exact system. This post works 24/7. Okay? And the DM strategy. Do this carefully. Do not spam DMs. Instead, reply to comments, start conversations, let people ask. If someone asks, what tool do you use, or how did you do this, that's your green light. Soft selling always beats aggressive selling. Okay? Now, track what works. Pay attention to which posts get saved, which get replied, which bring profile visits. Double down on topics that spark discussion, post people relate to, clear pain point. Okay? Delete ego, follow data. Avoid selling in every post, dropping links constantly, no clear niche, inconsistent posting, copying viral posts blindly. Threads rewards authenticity. Okay. Now, here's a realistic timeline you should expect. Week 1, no sales, learning phase. Week 2 to 3, profile visits, first clicks. First month, first sales. Second month, consistent daily sales. Patience compounds on Threads. So, Threads is not a shortcut. Okay, it's a long-term attention asset. If you stay consistent, share real value, sell softly, build trust, Threads can become one of your highest ROI platforms in 2026. Yeah, if you want my exact thread content frameworks, digital product ideas that sells, free traffic strategies, or AI tools for creators, like the video, subscribe and comment Threads below. So, see you in the next one.